If you've got a mystery shopping service and you're looking for an affordable professional website, be sure to keep your eyes on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple, affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we've pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, mystery shopping. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's sum our sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your company name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. It's just created for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images or you want to make one or two amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. Let us know how your business came about, how you got into this industry. You can make changes. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and head on over to the first section at the top and work my way through. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address so that's visible for my customers to see on my website. So let's go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. Physical location address. Maybe you are a mobile business or service. You don't have a physical location. If you do have one, pop it in over here when your website's live. Your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you want to make slight edits to it, you can click on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, it's really simple. All you need to do is click on that update section button, head on over to update image. This is where you can change the images for each section. You can browse your device and upload your own or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with the click of a button and automatically pull in those images if you have a business profile. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they're linked to. You can even link to a PDF file. If you want to change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many options to choose from. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet for your mystery shopping service, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your industry. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your mystery shopping service on the Mighty Sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.